In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create folders in Zoho Workdrive. Folders are a simple way to keep your files organized, whether you are saving personal documents or collaborating with a team. In Zoho Workdrive, you can create folders in two main areas: My Folders, which is meant for your private workspace, and Team Folders, which is meant for shared work where other people can access and contribute based on permissions. To begin, look at the left sidebar in Zoho Workdrive. Decide where you want the folder to live. If the folder is just for your own files, select My Folders. If the folder should be available to a group, select the appropriate team folder instead. Taking a moment here helps you avoid creating a folder in the wrong place, which can cause confusion later when you or your team tries to find it. Once you are in the correct location, move your attention to the top menu bar. Find the button labeled Plus New and click it. This button is used to create new items, and it will open a drop-down menu with different options. From that drop-down, choose Folder. Selecting Folder tells Workdrive that you want to create a new container for organizing content rather than uploading a file or creating something else. After you click Folder, a prompt will appear asking for a folder name. Type the name you want to use. Use a clear descriptive name so it is easy to recognize later. For example, you might name it based on a project, a client, a department, or a date range. Consistent naming makes searching faster and keeps your workspace tidy, especially in team folders where many people may be creating content. When you are satisfied with the folder name, click Create to finish. Zoho Workdrive will make the folder immediately in the location you selected, and you will be able to open it and start adding files or subfolders as needed. That covers everything you need to know.